Hello everyone and welcome back to Dr. Shaurav's classes. Today I am going to solve this question. So first look at the question very carefully. Question says quadrilateral P dash Q dash R dash S dash is similar to quadrilateral PQRS where P, Q, R and S correspond to P dash Q dash R dash and S dash respectively. The measure of angle P is 30 degree, the measure of angle Q is 50 degree and the measure of angle R is 70 degree. The length of each side of P dash Q dash R dash S dash is 3 times the length of each corresponding side of PQRS. Now what is the measure of angle P dash? There are 4 options. Option A 10 degree, option B 30 degree, option C 40 degree and option D 90 degree. So we are told that quadrilateral P dash Q dash R dash S dash is similar to quadrilateral PQRS. Now when two figures are similar, 2 important properties hold. First, all corresponding angles are equal, and second, all corresponding sides are in proportion, and this is very important. Similarly affects the lengths of the sides, but it does not change the angles. So even if the figure is enlarged or reduced, the angle measures remain the same. Now the question clearly says P correspond to P dash, P correspond to P dash, Q correspond to Q dash, R correspond to R dash and S corresponds to S dash. Now this means angle P equals to angle P dash, angle Q equals to angle Q dash, angle R equals to angle R dash and angle S equals to angle S dash. Okay, so the order of the letter is very important. Now we are given angle P is equal to 30 degrees and angle Q is equal to what? 50 degrees and angle R is equal to 70 degrees, and we are asked to find angle P dash is equal to what? Now use the property for the similar figures. Since the quadrilaterals are similar, corresponding angles are equal, so P correspond to P dash, therefore angle P is equal to angle P dash is equal to angle P. So we already know angle P is equal to 30 degrees. So angle P dash is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Now the question also tells us each side of P dash Q dash R dash S dash is 3 times the length of each corresponding side of PQRS. Now this means the scale factor is 3. Okay. The scale factor is 3. But here is the important concept. The scale factor only changes the side lengths. It does not affect the angle measures, and angle remain exactly the same in the similar figures. So even though the new quadrilateral is 3 times larger, the angles remain unchanged. So since the similar figures preserve the angle measures and P corresponds to P dash, we conclude angle P dash is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore the measure of angle P prime is 30 degrees. So the correct answer is option B. Okay, so option B is the correct answer for this particular question. I hope this solution is clear to you. So see you in the next session with the next question, and that will be very interesting. Okay, so don't miss it out guys. See you in the next session. Till then, keep learning, keep growing with only Dr. Shaurav's classes. So bye bye and take care.